have a vintage Americana accordion in cream. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, low and middle, with 3 switches in the treble. I will go through these switches so you can hear them. This is the low reed bassoon, bandonion, and clarinet, your middle. There are 2 switches on the bass side, and this is what they sound like. This is your master bass. It has a nice powerful sound for a very compact and lightweight accordion. It's very vintage looking. It has gold sparkly keys and gold sparkly buttons with the classic vintage diamond design in the bellows. It's very lightweight and compact. The keys are on the smaller side, which makes this a very compact accordion. It has a nice sound. I'll play you something so you can hear it.